What's up everyone, this is Anthony. We are today at Renyun Busbar Factory in Changsha, Hunan province. Do you want to know how top-notch bus bar are made? Just follow me.
To support project customization, our technical team develops tailored solutions through focused discussions. We create accurate 3D models and simulate fit and tolerance to ensure perfect alignment. With our professional bus bar design software, the system automatically generates the optimized routine path. Leveraging AI, we can produce manufacturing drawings for productions with just one click. We now move into manufacturing. Our fully automatic line performs rolling, punching, tapping, and forming, delivering efficient and precise bus bar housing production. The housing receives a fully automatic coating for moisture and corrosion resistance, securing a 30 years life design. We use 99.95 high conductivity electrical copper to ensure stable and reliable electrical performance. Conductors are fabricated through fully automatic machine and joined using advanced fracture stir welding, minimize stress and material impact to ensure superior performance. The conductors receive copper, tin, or silver plating for enhanced conductivity and stronger oxidation resistance. RYM bus bar uses epoxy resin curving to achieve Class H insulation rating at 180 degrees Celsius. Fully automatic riveting equipment ensures precision and consistency at every connection. Every finished product passes full voltage, dielectric, and insulation testing for maximized safety and reliability. The first unit of every production branch also passes temperature rising testing to verify performance stability. Finally, every bus bar set is carefully packed to ensure it arrives fresh, intact, and new at our customer's door.
At Renyun, we believe the power of quality, and we treat our customer like the one and only. Looking forward to work with you and catch you on the next one. Anthony out.